Hi, I'm Julius from Sistema Solutions, and I'm here today to show you about one of the updates Microsoft released for 2022 Release Wave 2 for Business Central. That update is finding posted and unposted document lines in search. So here we have a sandbox environment for Business Central. To access this new update, we only need to go to the search and type in lines. Here we're able to see new pages that were included in this update, namely sales lines, purchase lines, production order component lines, and the different posted lines for purchase and sales. This update allows for bookmarking these pages on your role center, as you can see in the background. Accessing these pages gives you the ability to show the document that the lines are included into, see its dimensions, and its tracking lines. The last thing about this update is it allows you to create views for these pages. To do that, we click on the filter and create our own filter. I'm going to create a filter on a specific customer number, like so. Now it filtered all the lines from this specific customer number. Once we have that filter on, we can just click Save As in this icon right here and rename the view to however we choose to. Customer number 2000. Now that Business Central saved the view, we're able to go back and forth between our filtered view and the view of all of the lines. So pages with document lines are often used for specific analysis. Now, you can be more productive by finding them through the in-product search field and bookmark links to the documents on your homepage for easy access to the original or a filtered view. We hope that you're able to use this update to the fullest. Thank you.